Hi everyone, so today's video is going to be a get ready with me, and in this get ready with me I kind of chat through my 2017 and talk to you about 2018 and my goals, and just chat with you while I do this disgusting purple eye using a palette that I probably will never use again. But yeah. Before I get into this video, I'd really love for you to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that notification bell. Today's notification shout out goes to the amazing ferret, and thank you for having my notifications on. If you want a notification shout out, all you have to do is turn my notifications on and comment hashtag notification squad down below and you'll get a shout out. So if you want to see how I got this look and just come chat with me about the past year and the next coming up year, then just keep on watching. I just love me a good get ready with me. I'm gonna start off with my face. It's not gonna be a whole lot about the makeup products, so whatever I don't show you, it'll be in the description if you want to check that out. 2017 was a pretty good year. I really enjoyed most of the year, if not all of it. I got to travel a lot in 2017 and visit a lot of new places. So I started 2017 in Italy, actually. I was there for 15 days between 2016 and 2017. It was actually my honeymoon. This time last year we were still there. I think we came back on like the 6th or the 7th. I enjoyed that trip so much. It was definitely the trip of a lifetime. I met a lot of cool people. We went on like a tour. It was a lot about learning about the country and meeting new people, which I really loved. I also went to California and I traveled California a bit, and that was honestly one of the best experiences ever. I'm very excited to go back to California again this year a lot. I'm gonna be going to California like a lot. In 2017, I also went to a lot of musical concerts. I really enjoy musical concerts. I feel like that's money well spent. Like, you cannot get a better experience for your money than traveling and going to see musical concerts. I went to see Mayday Parade, Panic at the Disco, and Ed Sheeran. Amazing concerts, all three of those. Like, I could not have gotten a better experience at any of those. I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'll be right back. I'm gonna go in with the purple palette from Kylie Cosmetics. 2017, I also grew a lot professionally. I actually accepted a very nice job. I went from a terrible school to a much better school, and I could not be happier with that outcome. I also gained 3,000 subscribers in 2017. When I first started YouTube, I actually didn't care about it as much. I was just doing it as something to do with my spare time. I actually didn't have a job when I started YouTube. I used YouTube as a source of entertainment, just something to consume my time basically, because I just was very bored. I didn't have anything better to do. I just needed something to do. It wasn't anything more than that. I never would have thought that my hobby would turn into my passion. I'm still very passionate about teaching. I'm never gonna give up teaching. I don't think that's wise. Makeup is definitely something that I would love to pursue on the side as a little side business. I'm very excited to see what 2018 brings with my YouTube channel. I'd love to see my YouTube channel grow even more. I'm even more passionate about it. It took me 3 years to hit 1,000 subscribers, and once I hit 1,000, that's when I was like, wow, people are actually subscribing to me and they actually enjoy my content. They're actually watching my videos. I need to put more effort into them. Even still, I was very inconsistent. I did not upload regularly at all until last year. I kind of think that this became my passion, and like YouTube became my passion. I think that's the reason that I gained so many subscribers last year. I was just a lot more consistent, and I think that's what people want to see. Consistency, entertaining, and I know I have to work on that. I have to work on putting my personality on camera a little bit better, and I feel like I have been a lot better than I was when I first started. I don't know if anyone has actually, my first YouTube video ever is not public because it was just very cringy. I had to take it down. I'm trying to do better with getting my personality on camera a little bit more, and of course vlogging is very difficult for me, and that's something that in my last vlog, that's one of my goals for 2018, is just get better at vlogging in public. It's just one of those things that it's very awkward and people stare at you, but I think since I'm going to be in California a whole lot this year, it's just a lot different there. Like, everyone has a camera, everyone's filming something, a lot of people are YouTubers to begin with anyway. I just think that it's a lot easier when you're over there, when everyone else is doing that, and the general public is just used to seeing people on their cameras, like with their cameras out. I'm also hoping to grow my channel significantly more consistent uploads, and my Instagram as well. I want to do a lot more looks, a lot more creative looks. I'm very inspired. On December 31st at night, I was just like, wow, I just feel so inspired. I feel like I could really make 2018 the year that my YouTube channel grows, and hopefully I'll be able to do that. In 2017, I also started my master's degree. I'm getting my master's in music education, and I love the classes so far, and I just think it's been benefiting me a lot. I'm never gonna give up my teaching, and my goal is to one day be a university professor. Just a university professor with a lot of glam, let's just say that much, because I'm not gonna give up my teaching degree. I'm not gonna let that go to waste, but I definitely still want to pursue some makeup artistry. I think it would be cool to build up some clientele, to be able to freelance a little bit and just get my makeup skills really up there. I just love makeup. Makeup is my passion. This palette kind of sucks. So my goal for this year for my channel is to obviously grow a lot more, and to do so I have to be more consistent. I'm hoping to be able to upload more than one video a week. Right now I don't know if that's possible because working a full-time job as a teacher and getting my master's degree and, you know, just having a life in general is gonna be very difficult. 2018 is definitely a year that I also just want to work on myself. I'm not gonna say that, yeah, I'm gonna be on this diet or anything like that, because I don't believe in diets. They always fail me. So I'm not even gonna pretend like I'm gonna be on a diet. I definitely just want to work on my health in general. I don't believe in diets. I just don't think that they work. I think that having a modified lifestyle, like, you know, portion control and just not eating as many sweets, that's a good way of losing weight. I just want general health. Like, the way that I eat is just not good. There's a history of diabetes in my family, so I'm already predisposed to that, and it's gonna happen eventually. I'm not gonna lie, like, I already know that I'm gonna get diabetes at some point in my life. Just trying to prolong that. So I think in terms of my health, just, you know, eating more fruits and vegetables, things like that, I think is gonna be the way I'm gonna get healthier. I'm gonna put on lashes and I'll be right back. Another thing that I definitely want to work on in 2018 is just my mental health. My stress levels and my anxiety are through the roof. In this past like winter break, which is still happening right now, but whatever, I actually found that I enjoy meditating. So I bought my mom the Amazon Alexa, the Echo Alexa thing. She loves it, by the way. But we've been actually like meditating with it. Like, there's this app on it that you can just ask Alexa to meditate. I hope it doesn't go off. Can you imagine? I actually really enjoyed that. So yeah, I really enjoy meditating, and I think it actually helps my stress levels a lot. I really could do like a whole entire other video on my anxiety story, because like I have so many stories on how my anxiety started and why I have anxiety and how bad my anxiety is. Although my anxiety has gone from a panic attack every single day to maybe a panic attack once every 2 weeks, if that. I don't know if I'm even really liking this look at all that I'm doing right now. I just really wanted to play with some color. I'm tired of doing the same bronzy neutral looks all the time. They just called me from the vet. I left my cat there this morning, my Nico. If you follow me on Snapchat or Instagram, he's the cat that I'm always posting. Like, always. Unless my niece hacks my Snapchat, and then she posts a bunch of videos and pictures of her cats, which also live with me, but they hate the other cat. Anyway, my Nico was in the vet because he had to get some vaccines and stuff, like normal things. Like, it wasn't out of the ordinary, but they called me that he was being a bad boy. They said, come pick him up. We can't get him to do anything. He's hissing at us. He hates us. Like, what do we do? And I'm like, oh my god, why? I just... And the thing is that I'm going out of town next week, and I really need for him to actually get some stuff done so I can board him, you know, send him to the kennel. If he's gonna be like that with them, imagine how he's gonna be in the kennel. Oh my god. Another thing that I really want to work on in 2018 is my skin. My skin has been giving me hell for the past like 2 months. It was doing really well for a while there. Like, my skin has cleared up a lot. I'm not even kidding. It was worse than it is now. But I keep getting these occasional pimples that drive me crazy. And when I get a pimple, I get like a giant pimple, and then I get the pimple scarring, and then it sucks. So I actually found this place. The place that I get my lips done, which I've only done it once. I don't know why I'm saying the place I get my lips done. Like, I have an authority to say that. But I'm gonna go back, obviously. I'm gonna get them redone. I think probably this month. I'm gonna just inquire about some facials that they do because I go to a med spa. I'm actually also inquiring about Botox. I want a little bit of Botox on my forehead, and right here I have this one wrinkle that's right there that's really annoying me. But mostly I want to inquire about Botox for TMJ. I suffer with terrible TMJ. Like, you can ask anybody in my family. It annoys the crap out of them anytime I fall asleep. The grinding that comes out, it's like really annoying. I can pop my jaw. Like, if I did it right now, I wonder how annoyed you people would get. You probably would get so annoyed because I could just pop my jaw on demand, and that's like, you know, not normal. And then the pain and the migraines that come with that is really annoying. So one way to solve it is Botox. So if I relax the muscle in my jaw here, I might be able to actually salvage my TMJ problem. I need to start actually getting regular facials because I think that that's what my skin needs. I never clear out the gunk. If you look up close to my nose, which I'm not gonna let you do, I'm not gonna zoom in. You don't want to be subjected to that, to be honest. You see so many like blackheads and just like little, I don't know what to even call them, but when you squeeze my nose, like even in the slightest, all this gunk comes out. But I just literally don't want to waste my time doing that, so I need to get it done by a professional or somebody who actually knows what they're doing, an esthetician. I can't continue makeup with the kind of skin that I have. All this scarring here that you can actually see even like through the foundation, which is ridiculous in my opinion. You know, that just shouldn't happen. I feel like kind of embarrassed to even admit that, but like a makeup artist and a makeup person on YouTube, you don't see many of them suffering with the acne scarring that I do. I actually watched this YouTuber, Jen Amber. She's a licensed esthetician and she's helped me so much on my skincare already. She got me into derma rolling and I've been doing that, and my skin has gotten so much better because of that, but it's still really bad. I'm actually gonna be a little daring and use some color today. I love this, and I'm actually probably gonna buy another one for a future giveaway. I think I'm gonna use this one right here, this highlighting palette. This is the BH Cosmetics highlighting palette. I just love that iridescence and how it kind of matches this ridiculousness that I have in my freaking eyes today. I just feel like 2018 is gonna be the year that I work on myself, that I grow my YouTube channel. I keep growing professionally as well. I'm not gonna let my YouTube channel stop my other career goals. No one ever said you need to have just one career. This is so not the look I had in mind today, but whatever. I mean, it's not like it's a tutorial. I'm glad it's not a tutorial. You don't want to learn from this really crap job. I don't know if I'm just having a bad day with blending or if the palette just sucks that much. I'm just excited for what's to come in 2018. There's a lot of exciting things that I can't really talk about yet. It's gonna be a pretty exciting year, if you ask me. This is the ColourPop I Love Sarai Ultra Satin Lip in 951. I've never used this before actually, so let's see how this goes. I still really like the setting spray despite the fact that someone told me it has alcohol as a main ingredient, and it does. I should really read ingredients a little bit better. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed this Get Ready With Me. I'm really excited for 2018. I would really love to know what your goals are for 2018. Just let me know in the comments down below, and I love to read about them, and I'm just really excited. I think a brand new year, brand new slate. I just feel like it's a brand new fresh start you can take every day and just make something of it, and it's just really inspiring to just every new year just have a brand new slate. I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!